Rush fam, welcome back to the channel. So you know it's Rush, the Discovery Boss. So I'm here with a quick update on the Fosrich Superstore. It's moving very fast, I have to say. You know, some of these construction, if you go abroad for like a year or two and come back, the place is gonna look different to you. It's gonna, in some cases, probably even look unrecognizable. So Fosrich Superstore, right here off Molynes Road, or on Molynes Road. And we're just taking a quick update on the construction, the progress of the work. We're gonna send up the drone for sure, and you guys can see some aerial shots as well. So it's just a quick update, as I said before. Stay tuned. We're gonna do a quick drive around the two roads that's in front of this superstore as well. The current Fosrich is this yellow wall to the left. You'll see some better shots from the drone as well. And what I'll also do is to put the link for the very first video I did on this project so you guys can see where it's coming from. So thanks for clicking on this video. And in advance, I'm thanking you for liking the video. I'm thanking you for subscribing as well, because subscribing is free. And also leave a comment. This lot on the left, which you'll see from the drone, is extremely big and long, because it runs even behind these houses on the left. So it's a very big lot. Seems to be owned by a church. So it's a church property, but it's a very big lot. Alright, so we're gonna take this right. We also have ITEL, two call center buildings close by. We have Bird's Auto main building close by as well. So just doing a quick drive around the area to show you guys before we do the longer drone video. So again guys, thank you for your support. Thanks for all you do. Really appreciate you guys. So Fosrich Super Center, or Fosrich Superstore, that's the order of the day. And leave your comments. What you think about the project, the location, the size. So Fosrich will be the main tenant, but you'll also have shops for rent as well. So they'll have spaces where other companies can rent a space. Not sure what's going to happen to the current Fosrich building. Right, so this is the other road that is in front of the new building. This is Chalmers Avenue. Right, so short video. It's just a quick update for you guys, just showcasing what's going on of the new Fosrich Superstore. Coming soon. The building is moving fast. I personally like the design and the colors. A lot of glass at the front. A lot of persons keep saying they don't like blue and red on commercial buildings, but honestly I don't have a problem. Honestly I don't mind. Let me know what you guys think though. Alright, so before we do any more chatting, we're gonna set up the drone so you guys can get some aerial shots. I know they're gonna have a grand opening. All of that, probably they even invite the Prime Minister for the grand opening. I see that happen very regular, because as well he's encouraging economic development, so I guess he tries to attend these grand opening, you know, just to show support and say, hey, jobs. But yeah, that's what we're taking a quick look on today. Leave your comment and I'll see you on the next video. Thanks for your support.